display item. We're then going to get the computer into the air, also to go off and hold, and that'll be on after the Chinook. Incidentally, having just seen those 9 Tiger Moths, of course you can go flying in the classic Wings Tiger Moth fleet, not just on display days, but throughout the rest of the summer here at IWM Duxford. And also I see we've got another Tiger Moth parked on the far side of the airfield, the silver one, amongst the row of existing aircraft. And that one is very appropriately registered G Moth. It was based here for many years as part of the Russavia collection. It's now privately owned, and that one represents the prototype DH-82 Tiger Moth. Very nice to see that aeroplane here as a visitor. The Chinook turning away to position for its run-in.
Please do give them a big wave as they come over the top and see you for the first time. And here they go, ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 Chinook display. So pitching back down now, give the crew a wave before they make their 90-degree breakaway to our left. The Chinook size often hides its sheer ability and power, but we hope you'll be impressed by the aircraft's performance by the end of the display. 2019 Chinook display captain is squadron leader John Turner, known as JT. JT is an A2 instructor and officer commanding training flight on 18 Squadron. JT joined the RAF in 1993 and was posted to ODM to fly Chinooks flown from crowd line from left to right. The nose is going to be pulled up by 45 degrees before recovering at the display base level. JT is again scanning sideways here to pick up his lateral markers. The challenge for the crew here is to descend onto crowd centre, while some days battling this 15-ton machine being pushed to a pull by the wind. Joining JT in the cockpit today is 2019 flight co-pilot, Flight Lieutenant Ant Jewett. Ant joined the RF in 2008 and subsequently completed his rotary flying training, as well as spending time working in MOD. He joined 18 Squadron in 2016 and is a member of the Mighty Bee flight, to our popular Twitter hashtag BladeSlap. So the Chinook is going to break away shortly to perform a 60-degree offset wingover away from crowd centre. Flown by the RAF, the Chinook is actually operated under the Tri-Service Joint Helicopter Command. It remains in high demand due to its large cabin, capable of carrying up to 40 fully equipped troops. We also carry vehicles, freight and palletised cargo, and are able to hoist personnel to and from the aircraft, along with other specialist troop insertion and extraction techniques such as free-fall parachuting. Perhaps his best known role is in medical emergency response, a role which the force fulfilled under fire during Operation Herrick in Afghanistan. The display you see today really demonstrates how manoeuvrable this extremely large helicopter is. Most of this display is brought out of tactical skills employed and perfected on operations around the world. During all of these manoeuvres, the co-pilot's eyes are constantly darting around the cockpit. He's checking aircraft performance and constantly talking or pattering, as we call it, aircraft speed, pitch and roll parameters, not to mention critical awareness of height as they descend towards the crowd. Another crucial call from the co-pilot is distance to run to the next manoeuvre to make sure they enter in the correct place, alongside other information which allows JT to fly visually by simply looking out of the cockpit. Now out to the right, the aircraft is again pulled into a pedal turn. The Chinook has been used continuously as a battlefield helicopter for over 37 years. Most recently in Iraq, Afghanistan and now Mali, its heavy lift capacity combined with power, speed and agility ensured that even during the hottest summers and darkest nights the force always completed its missions. The crew is now going to whip the aircraft into a low-level 360-degree orbit, giving you the chance to really hear that famous and fabulous sound of the aircraft. Looking out in front at that topside view, the photographers amongst you will get a great angle of this awesome machine and its unique contra-rotating blade design, which makes Chinook what it is. Operationally, the Chinook has a 4-person crew, 2 pilots in the cockpit and 2 weapon systems operators or crewmen in the cabin. Flying this aircraft is a pure form of teamwork, and every mission embodies the crew spirit famous amongst RAF aviators. So here's the aircraft running left now. You'll notice the nose coming up to decelerate through 85 knots before JT enters a 180-degree nose down quick stop. Before breaking away to the left. If the wind is right, you may well feel the sound of the Chinook. The crew are now going to 200 personnel of all trades, including air traffic, engineering, armourers, logistics, caterers and medical staff, amongst so many others. All of them are dedicated to supporting our global and national commitments. RAF Odium and the Chinook Fox are all about teamwork, and we remain ready to respond to national and global events at a moment's notice, with personnel and aircraft on permanent readiness 365 days a year.
I want to try it.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There's the crew coming to the hover one final time for you. And this is your chance to show them your appreciation for demonstrating the aircraft to you today. Please do give them a big wave before they haul our 15-ton machine backwards into an over-the-shoulder departure to run back out. I must also say my goodbyes. It's been an absolute pleasure to display for you here at Duxford today, and our sincere thanks must go out to the event organisers, the Flying Control Committee, and of course all of you for coming out to watch our display. If you'd like to know more